The gist of all of this is to explain to us that we need to do what? What we need to do is we need to be able to take a minute to ourselves or some time to ourselves every day. Leave alone the rat race. And sit down and think about, ponder on Allah's blessings and ni'mah that are upon us. And be thankful for what Allah Ta'ala has given to us. Because in all actuality, our being thankful and being grateful and using Allah's blessings in ways that are going to please Him, this is what's going to bring about our increase.